Looks like it would probably be pretty good. My biggest concern was I didn't want a drop off. But it looks like we're golden. Nice and sandy. Speaking of which, there's sandstone. So we can just slide down this just like a glissade on the snow. Nice. Just what I need after surgery. I rode my moto today. You can see my helmet. All right, beautiful. Look at that. Nice. Perfect. Just what I want. This pops out back on the main trail by a bridge. There it is. Look at this nice sand wash. There was a second canyon right here that I could have come down as well, but it was appearing to be a little steeper, which it is, and it would have been harder to drop into. Here's some graffiti. 76. Well, these are going to be fresh footsteps I'm leaving here. Awesome. Nice. Where am I now? That's the question. Where am I now? That's always what I like people to be able to figure out if they have any knowledge of an area. Okay, we're back on trail, so I guess it's time to kill the video. They're kind of succulent-like, very fleshy leaves. Very meaty, spongy plant.